Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how I consume SAP HANA data in SAP BI platform 4.0. Okay, let's take a look at the virtual machine. And here I have two virtual machines. One is for the BI platform 4.0, also for the SAP BW 7.31, and it's a Windows Server platform. I started all the BI platform services, as you can see here. And another virtual machine is based on the Linux Enterprise. This is for SAP HANA because, as you know, SAP HANA can only be installed in the Linux platform, cannot be the Windows platform now. So that's the reason I installed two virtual machines. One is for SAP HANA, the other one is for SAP BI platform, also SAP NetWare platform. Okay. Now I first need to start the SAP HANA in the Linux so that I can connect to SAP HANA to consume data in SAP Business Object. Okay. I go to the command line and I have some command already. I can just copy and paste it. Here's my documents, the HANA command. First I need to go to this directory because this is the HANA install directory. I go to this terminal, the command line, and I go to cd this specific directory. Okay, then I run the HANA command to start HANA. Before I start HANA, I can run this function, get process list, to check if the process is running or not. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, all the process, there is a HANA demo, all the process are gray and stopped. Okay, the next step, I'm gonna run the start to get the HANA running. Okay, I just click the start and it's running. It's the start is in process. And we can also check the get process list, and then all the service should be initialized or started. Yeah, here you can see the name, description, the status, whatever, start time. And this daemon, this HTTP daemon, is yellow initializing, and this is also initializing. Okay, just wait a moment to let the HANA start up and running. Yeah, I can try it again. Still running. And meanwhile, I can also monitor the system resource. Yeah, as I showed you in my previous video, if you want to see more detail about that, you can go to my previous video about the run HANA in virtual machine on my laptop. Okay, it's all in YouTube. As you can see now, seems all the process, all the servers are running and green. Yeah, it's green running, green running, green running. Okay, so now let's try to take test if we can connect from the front end, the SAP HANA Studio. Okay, I just go to my front end and go to HANA Studio. See, the status is green. Okay, I right click and go to administration. See, we can have a global picture of the system. Okay, yeah, I see all services are started. Okay, so we can go ahead and play around with it. So This is the memory. This is the CPU usage, whatever. Okay. Yeah, I just expand this node and go to the content, right? So because in my previous video, I demoed how we can create the material, the attributes view, analytics view, also calculation view, and also I create some tables. Okay, I go to row and go to tables. Since this is tables created before, and I use the load flat file data to these tables to have some data in this table. Okay, and yeah, for more information, you can try ref to my previous video how to load data from these tables from flat file. Okay, now let's check if this attributes view still works or not. I double click this attribute views, for example, this material. Okay, and I go to the data preview. Yeah, still working. We have some data. That's good. We're gonna consume this data in BI platform, SAP business object. Okay, yeah, we do that later. And I can also have a check with this checklist we are created. Yeah. This is based on the graphics tool. So you can see it's a simple uni and a simple join. So if you know the SAP BW multi-provider the first set, so there's a very familiar concept. Uni, you just like multi-provider and join the info set. Okay. The difference that this union join the HANA database level HD very fast. Okay. I click the data preview, see if we can have some data. Okay, good. Do I have some data? Okay, so now let's go to the SAP BI platform. We need to create a connection to SAP HANA first, and then we can consume this data. Okay. Now let's go to the information design tool here. Okay, because this is for the single sign with SAP BW 703, and currently we don't use this single sign. We need to connect HANA instead of BW, so I just insert a new session. This my SAP door, my ERP code. The port is 400. Username administrator. Okay, and we go to connection. We just create a new relational connection. Okay, we give a resource name. We just give a SAP HANA. Okay. As we just go to SAP, we go to SAP HANA database, JDBC driver. Next, we need to input the username to connect to SAP HANA. Here we use roar and we use password. And servant post. Servant post is what? I think yeah, my honor.icp. Yeah, keep in mind if your HANA system number is 00, you just input 00. If your HANA system is 01, you just give 01 here. Okay, I click test connection. Oh, test field. And knowing host. Okay. Let me check the oh, it's myhana.erp.com. Sorry. Go back. I change ICP to ERP. Okay, I can see the test is successful. Okay, close and go to next. I keep all these parameters as default. Finish. Okay, here we have SAP HANA. Okay, now we need to create a project. So we can use the connection, the relation connection SAP HANA, and here we have already a project created, and I just create a new folder. Folder name is give SAP HANA. Okay, I got this folder. This folder. Okay, so in order to use this HANA connection, we first need to create a shortcut. Okay, I just click the create relational connection shortcut. And it is a subfolder SAP HANA. Okay. And then we can use this connection to create the the new universe and data foundation. Okay. So we will go that step by step. First, in order to use this connection, I need to create a data foundation. All right. I right click and go to the data foundation. I just give some description like fields order. Okay, it's multi-source enabled. Okay, this is BI platform enterprise, and I choose SAP HANA. This is the shortcut, right? Okay, go to finish. Yeah, we successfully created the connection to SAP HANA. This is data foundation. As you can see, we have the table, right? So this table corresponding to the table in this schema. This is just the raw table. It's not attribute view or analytics view. Okay, just the raw table. You can use this raw table directly. Okay, and also you can use the info models you created in your HANA Studio, because as you may know, once you create info models in SAP HANA Studio, like the attribute view or analytics view, the system will create some metadata, the table view, and this SYS underscore big, this schema. For example, we have the material analytics view, and we can go to there to find the material. Here's material, all right. And we also have the delivered sales as analytics view. Okay, here we also have the sales and delivers, right? Where's delivers? Here, right? We have the delivery, we have sales, this analytic view. And the last is the order is a calculation view. Where is order? Here is the order. All right, so we have these fields. Okay, so the first one, we're going to try some table directly. Okay, we have this VBEP and we have Mara. So if we drag and drop, we can connect them by the material number. I am 18R. Okay, right. So here we have this connection, but we can add it. Okay, because we want to have all the sales orders. So even the sales order does not have a material, but that's not the case. So there should be one-to-one mapping. Sorry, it's n-to-one because one material number could have more than one sales order. All right. So I just click. This is cardinality n-to-one. Okay. So that means one material number could have multiple sales order. You can also click detect. still the same. Each row in the makes one and only one. Each row in Maro matches one or more row in VBP. Okay, this is the case. And if you use the out join, that means even that material does not have any master data, you still want that sales order to be displayed. So you can choose out join. This is left out, this is right out. So, but in our case, all sales order should have a master material in the material master table. So we don't have those keys. So I just, for performance reason, I just click the, I don't take the out join. I click OK. And I click save again. And yeah, here actually you can try to see if you can see some there. And we have, yeah, that's pretty much about that. So this is all the list of value. I just keep all these untouched. Okay, here you can see show table values. Right, this is values from the VBAP, and you can see this. This is value from the material master table. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much for that. We just create a simple join. It's inner join, and the cardinality is into one. One material can have one or multiple field order. Okay. Yeah, then we just keep all the rest as default, and then we go to the business layer. We click the business layer. You need to choose the relational data foundation and give the field order. Sorry. Data foundation, I choose this HANA field order. Okay. Yeah, here we can see this is data foundation, and here you will see all these dimensions, right? And you can, you can remove those you don't want, or you can rename. For example, I just give a meaningful name. This is field order, and there's field order height. Okay, so this is a material. I don't know, for this is a material, so this is all quantity. Okay, so this is the material create data. And I just save it for the, this is plant. Okay, and this is the unit. This is all the candidate. Yeah, in order to get all the menu for the label for the material, I go to the HANA Studio, see if I have some. So if we have some information, but okay. This is a material tab. This is a material group. Okay, so we go to the ART's material type. This is a material type, and this is a material group. Okay, I just remove. I'm gonna remove this one. I remove this one. Okay, you can do, and you can also here click any mirror, dimension, or filter. Right? So for example, I can create filter like where equal just give a let me see if we have any plant here. VBAP. Oh, sorry. I right click and go to data preview. So we just want to have like FG0906. You can choose validate. It's valid, right? So click OK. I give a filter name. It's land FG06, right? So click save. And you can also go to the query and you can drag and drop some dimensions or some measures and to save data. I just drag and drop the steel order, right? And I run this query. See, we have the data. Pretty fast, right? Okay, so I noticed that I may have to change something because for the order quantity, it should not be a dimension, it should be a measure. Okay, so I just change their tab. I'll change active so I can see this is for the order quantity and we advanced here just some table where I can choose the turn into mirror with okay here we can turn this dimension into mirror with sun. Okay. You can choose it here if you want to change this, or you can just go to here. You can choose the aggregation layer thing. This is sun, and you can choose average or whatever you want. You can see here all this operation sun average whatever. Okay. Now let's go to I just save it. Oh, it's already saved. Okay, so the last step, I'm gonna export this to the BLE server. I go to publish and to a repository. Okay. Select source to receive performance here. Okay, go to next. And I go to this web universe. Okay, everything to the universe published successfully. Okay, so that means we can consume this universe. Okay, so let's go to the BI Launchpad. I go to enterprise. Here, see, we can go to the web intelligence. We go to new and the universe. Here is the sales order we created before, right? So we just select that one. Yeah, we have the VBP, we have the tomorrow. Actually, you can change. This is a class, right? You can change the class name here. Also, like if you want to just use order, and maybe this you can give a material. Okay, you can also do that way. It's not a big deal. And you can see this is the field we created, right? So we can use it. Drag and drop this field. This is I can just drag and drop all these parts around the query. It won't take a long time since not much data in this HANA. Yeah, here we get all the data displayed, right? And we have the all this stuff, and you can go to the left panel and you want to see all this information or whatever. Okay, right? You can drag and drop here. Okay, you can even have the you can even have this tool, the graphic tool here, right? This is the pure web intelligence. Okay, so I just want to close this one. And the next we want to try that we're going to try a calculation view. Okay, because here we just tried the raw table in SAP HANA directly. We joined them in the information design tool, but suppose you have already created many information models in SAP HANA Studio, like you have the order, you have the COs, you have deliveries, you have created all these info models already. You want to leverage these information models created in SAP HANA, then you can connect to this model directly. And the join and all the calculation will be done in the SAP HANA database level. So should be faster. Okay, take the order example. We want to get the information of this calculation view order. So we want to connect. We want to connect this calculation view from SAP BI information design tool directly instead of creating some join manually in information design tool. Okay. So we close this one. Close this one. Okay. We create another data foundation. Here we give the order. So order, we just give a fix like DLC, means calculation view. Okay. Copy this one next and merge source enable. Okay, next we choose the SAP HANA. Okay. Extend. We go to speak. Here is the order, right? Okay. We just simply drag and drop here. Yeah, because this is the calculation view we created in the SAP HANA, so we can use them directly. We don't need to do any additional, customization or join because all the calculation view is maintained in SAP HANA Studio. Here we just reuse them directly. Okay. Zip. Yeah, create. In order to make it more clear, I create a subfolder. It's for ERC. Okay. I move all the CIS to this order. Here, I create a new business layer. I give the same name. To data foundation. Order CRC, we choose this one. This one is based on the calculation view. Okay. Yeah. This is order. Right. So this is you can do the same to change the description. Okay. I just want to make a change for the measure. We go to the same, change the measure with aggregation, so on. Yeah. Yeah, because you have to make this sum, because by this way you're gonna have a group by clause in the when the BOE server generate the SQL. Okay, so I just close or save, and you can do a quick test here. Okay, this is plan. This is order quantity. I refresh. Okay, I will get some data. Okay, I just make it maybe a little bit meaningful. This is land. This is oil quantity. And this is the deliver quantity. Alright, so this is material. Yeah, if I have mentioned all this, I don't want to create a second filter or whatever. But anyway, that's all the functionality of the information system tool. You can play around with more, options. But here, that's pretty far what we did for this a business layer. We just want to publish to the repository. I don't want to check the integrity because I'm pretty sure it should be fine. But I recommend you to check the integrity before you publish it to the repository. I choose the folder web intelligence and yeah. And the universe was published successfully. Okay, close. Then we can try it again in the BI Launchpad. I go to the new web intelligence and I go to the universe. Okay. Okay, so I just go to refresh. Here we have the new sealed order based on the calculation view. See, with the suffix CLC. Okay, I choose that that universe. Okay, we can drag and drop material, plant, deliver quantity, and sealed order quantity. Okay, around query. Yeah, here we get pretty much. You can see this is a delivery quantity, this is order quantity. Okay, so yeah, that's so far. And that's all about the quick demo about consume data in SAP BI4 from SAP HANA. That's all in the virtual machine on my laptop. Okay. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, just drop me an email and I will reply as soon as possible as usual. Okay. Thanks. Bye.